How to tie a double overhand knot. First, make a cross under. It's just like the overhand knot. You go over then under as you would to make the overhand knot, but to make it a double overhand knot, you will go over and under one more time. And pull it tight. The double overhand knot is bigger and a bit stronger compared to just a overhand knot. Some people also refer it as the barrel knot. It is also a little harder to untie than just tying an overhand knot. Doing it again. Make the cross under, push the end over, and then under. Bring it back around, go over, then under again. And pull it tight. That is the double overhand knot. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Let me know if there is a knot you would like to learn. Click here to see how to tie more knots.